Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic, it's based on a question I received. Why should I avoid probate? Before I give you the answer, at least a few answers. If you would like to speak with me, if you would like to make an appointment or discuss your situation, that can be done at my website, frankbrunolaw.com. Why should you avoid probate? I'll give you 5 reasons. They're quick, down, and dirty. But 5 of them. Okay, let me try. I picked that number out of my head, so hopefully I could get to 5. You can avoid the cost of probate. Probate is a court proceeding that takes place in the surrogates court in New York, and there's a cost involved. The fee is on a sliding scale. Another reason is privacy. Probate is a public process, and a trust is a private document. Delay. It's very relatively, everything in the law is relative, is very quick and relatively painless to transfer assets from the trust upon the death of the maker of the trust to the beneficiaries that are named in the trust. It's a relatively painless, quick process, and probate takes a little bit longer than painless and quick. That's delay. Why should you avoid probate? Well, maybe you shouldn't. Maybe it's okay for you. So we could discuss that situation. That was 3.5. If you have property in multiple states, you might want to avoid probate because you need probate in every state that you own a piece of property. New York, Florida, Chicago, Chicago's not a state, Illinois, New Jersey. So you would want to avoid probate so that you wouldn't have to do multiple probates. Why else would you want to avoid probate? Well, it opens you up to potential people that would like to challenge the will. So the probate process, I mentioned that it was public. And if you're a private person, you just want it to be private. But an actual reason, other than being shy or not wanting people to really know the inner workings of your life, when you make it public, it's not only public, but you have to notify people that would inherit if there was no will. So you have to send a copy of the will, ask for a waiver and send a copy of the will to extended family or to the child that was left out of the will, right? So you might want to avoid probate because if you avoid probate, you can avoid that potential litigation. So there we have it. 5 reasons to avoid probate. And if you would like to discuss this with me, please go to my website, frankbrunolaw.com. So really the takeaway is you need to take steps and put something in place while you're alive, healthy, and competent to avoid probate later on.